Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's so nice to have you here. My name is Sumi Imors, and in this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to pick colors from images like this. Alright, stay tuned and let's do it together. Please go to File and place your image in Illustrator. When you've placed your image, alright, this image, okay, let's just go ahead and do it right. Let me delete this. You go to File, place. Okay, here is my image. You just place it, click and drag to place. Click and drag it to place. And there you have it. When you've placed it, next it, go to Objects and rasterize it. Then just click on OK and wait for it. My PC is a bit slow, so thanks for your patience. Alright, it's rasterized. So now go to Objects and select Create Object Mosaic. Just click on it and this window appears. Just click in your size, your width and height, your tile spacing so that everything will be jam packed together. So I'm giving it a spacing of 8 pixels and the height of 8 pixels. Then just click on OK and your work is done. Voila! You can move this. Let's move it. Yeah. And that's the entire color from this image here. You can go ahead and select the color that you need. Let's grab our rectangle to click and drag. Then take your eyedropper tool. Let's say you want this, you just click on it. Or you can just use the color from here as you need. Or you can also select the color from the image directly. Just click once and there you have it. But it's more easier and faster to just use the create mosaic from objects. So anyone that you seems right or fast to you, that's that. You can also create gradients from it. Alright, let's delete this. Let's do it again. Click on your image, go back to object. Okay, not objects like this, create gradient mesh. Just click on it once and there you have it. Your gradient is created. Simple and fast. Your life is easier. Yeah, you can add in your rows, add in your columns as much as you like. If you want to go haywire, you can do something like this. Oh, I liked it. Okay, no, it's becoming messy. All right, there you have it. And that's that. Click on okay. Let's see what these highlights. Okay, enough playing around. Just click on OK, and there you have it. But one thing with this gradient is it doesn't leave the image behind. It's use the entire image to create the gradient. So if you want to use the image again, you need to copy the image before you create your gradient mesh with it. Unlike the create object color, create object mosaic, it does not use the image entirely, but for gradient it uses the image entirely to create an object, to create your gradient. Alright, thanks for your time. I hope you've learned one or two from this. If you have any question, you can send me a question via my email or the comment section, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more juicy episodes on Adobe Illustrator basics. Thanks for watching And you can check my other videos for the previous series on Adobe Illustrator basis. Oh God, please open my English. All right, ciao, ciao. See you soon.